third member of the family, IRD306DP. It is again a digital vibration meter. We provide it in our soft carrying case. Inside the case you will find the vibration meter itself. It also has a kickstand. You will find the charger. You will find 2 batteries, rechargeable, the vibration sensor, the magnet for mounting the sensor, a main cable and a spare cable for measurement, and an extension rod which we call as stinger. You will now see how to measure vibration using this vibration meter. I have connected the vibration meter using my signal cable to the vibration sensor. I have placed the vibration sensor on the point on the machine where I wish to measure the vibration. Now I am going to turn on the machine and I am going to observe the vibration. So right now we are in velocity and the velocity is in mm per second RMS. So right now the reading is 12.5 mm per second RMS. If I use this unit selection switch, then I can change to displacement, and the displacement is 213 microns peak to peak. So this is how we can measure the vibration of a machine. Also, your velocity reading you can compare with the chart, whether you are in the green zone or in the red zone, based on the kilowatt rating of your machine.